Guys, this is Ayushi and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great today. Recently only I shopped from Plum as there was a sale going on for their 7th birthday anniversary and I got a lot of products that I wanted to try. It's been more than couple of years that I've tried Plum products, and when I tried it for the first time there were two of the products, a moisturizer as well as one was a toner. I did not like them at all, so this time again I wanted to give it a fair chance if I will be liking the product or not. But today I'll be talking about the launch which was like 1 to 2 months back, and I will be talking about the Plum Bulgarian Valley rose water toner with hyaluronic acid in it. So the first impression of the packaging is that it looks really good, but in order to go into more details ki how this will perform and if it's good or not, before getting into the details of the video, please do go ahead, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click on that notification bell to get regular updates. So this toner comes in two sizes. One is the 100 ml and second one is the 200 ml one. I got this 200 ml toner which costed 420 rupees, though that's the MRP, but I got it on 20% of 25% discount. I can't exactly remember. I'll link the whole video in the description box so that you can check that out. However, the expiry date of this toner is for 2 years, but there is this mark of 6 months that once you will open the product, within 6 months you have to use it, otherwise it will not be usable. So many claims of this toner that I would like to talk about, but first, just to make everything clear out, this 200 ml rose water toner is not pure rose water, because the distilled pure rose water is something else and this is actually a toner. That means with rose water there are other ingredients also included that will work to tone your skin. Also, it claims to have hyaluronic acid. That means all the moisture and the hydration that you can get from the environment, it will sink into the skin and help to hydrate the skin and give you a skin glow. There is no doubt that Plum products are SLS parabens, they are cruelty free, they have no, they are vegan, no animal testing as such, and everything good is there in these Plum products, which I quite like it. And also one more thing, that it's fragrance free. Also, it's suitable for all skin type. It does not have to be suitable for specifically dry or oily or even combination. Any skin type can use this toner, which is a good thing. And it's claimed that the rose extract from the Rose Valley in Bulgaria, witch hazel is like a natural astringent which helps to tighten and close the pores, and holy grail hyaluronic acid, just some of the goodies in this toner that hydrate, soothe, regenerate skin and tightens pore. So what all I have just told you, it's mentioned over here at the back also, that you can see. And apart from that, how to use and everything, the ingredients, everything is written over here, which is really good. Till now everything is good, but then comes the application part. How to use the toner. It says to spritz on freshly cleansed face, gently tap for best results. When I tried to spritz it, I've just opened it and this is like my bare hand. I'll just spritz it over here. You can see the nozzle is not at all fine. It specifically just goes onto a specific part of your face. Like if I'll spritz right now, it will come over here or here or here, and it will not mesh all around the face, which I don't like it at all. Only one way to use the toner is to use a cotton pad like this, spritz some of it and then use it just as normal rose water. I didn't like it. Another way that you can use it is to shift it into another spray bottle, which will work fine. I searched online. It's not with the specific item that it happened. Even other people who has got this toner, be it a 100 ml bottle or a 200 ml one, same thing has happened. Nozzle is not at all fine. Also, talking about the ingredients, apart from rose flower extract, aqua, glycerine, witch hazel, there are other products also included like sodium benzoate, potassium sorbate, sodium gluconate, all these other things. So it's not like pure kind of a rose water. So definitely I would recommend rose water, be it a little bit expensive than this toner, but it has other ingredients included which I did not saw it in one go when I tried to buy it. I thought it was rose water only. I did not see the toner bar. That was my mistake. If it would have been pure rose water, maybe the price slightly high, then it would have been much better. Overall, I did not like the product because I cannot use it until and unless I'll switch it to another bottle, or else I'll use a cotton pad for it. So I would rate it 5 out of 10, not more than that. Otherwise the product is good. It did not irritate my skin, because other toner that I used more than a couple of years ago did irritate my skin and I hated it. But this one, only the packaging issue was there, which cut half of the points, but that's it. Comment down below if your toner is also having same issue, or is it me that I'm getting this issue that I'm not liking the nozzle. And do like, share and subscribe. That's it for today. Mwah. Bye.